Take a ride in the 2021 Corolla Hatchback. The Toyota Corolla Hatchback will make you smile. The performance and shifty driving experience will certainly leave you wanting more. A sharp exterior look and an abundance of technology, like the Toyota Safety Sense, make this a vehicle worth looking at, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, driver illuminated vanity mirror. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.